How to check rejected friend requests on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen on your Facebook. Then simply click on Find Friends at the bottom. In Find Friends at the top, you will find Friend Request. Click on Friend Request. If you don't see any here, as you may have not rejected the friend request. If you don't find anyone here, what you can do is go back and then go to notifications. Here, you might find the person sending you friend request notifications. If you find it, simply click and you will find the person. If you are not able to see here, click on three lines again. Then click on Settings at the top right. Then scroll down and click on Account Center. Click on Your Information and Permissions. Download your information. Then click on Download or Transfer Information at the top. Select your Facebook account and continue. Press on Specific Type of Information, which is the second option. After you have done that, scroll down and then click on Friends and Followers and press on Next at the bottom. After you've pressed on Next, click on Download to Device. Select date range if you want and press on Create Files. After you've created files, Facebook will send your download information in your mail that you selected, and simply open the mail and then check for rejected friend requests on the file. This is how to check rejected friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you.